To help better equip UNDP in supporting countries affected by the COVID-19 pandemic, the Independent Evaluation Office has been working on a series of reviews of lessons from past evaluations. The paper I'm presenting you today focuses on waste management, a topic that has been assuming larger importance as a result of economic and demographic growth, rapid urbanization processes, as well as displacement induced by human and environment-related crises. To produce the paper, we have reviewed more than 100 thematic, country-level and project evaluations. In the paper, you will find an exhaustive list of the key documents consulted, which include, just to name a few, country program evaluation of UNDP's work in Lebanon and Turkey, a large project on waste management after the 2004 tsunami in Indonesia, and a global initiative to promote public-private partnerships in waste management. Our analysis has identified 6 lessons, which we have articulated around UNDP key areas of work on waste management, which include the provision of emergency employment through cash for work schemes, capacity development for better service delivery, the promotion of business opportunities, and not least, the enhancement of policy frameworks, which is particularly important for sectors like e-waste and medical waste that may not be adequately regulated yet. A key element we focus on is inclusion and UNDP's commitment to leave no one behind in all contexts. The waste sector can represent an important avenue to enhance the economic livelihoods of women, but when planning intervention, it's important to consider how local culture and local practices around women's involvement in waste management can generate stigma, or instead propel their involvement as a sort of a fallback solution when men consider it dirty work. When promoting partnerships with the private sector, it's also very important to pay attention to preserve decent working conditions for all. Waste management that offers practical solutions to everyday problems can also represent an important tool to promote social cohesion and dialogue, as well as prevent tensions between communities. The experience in Jordan with the Syrian crisis response showed that it's important for projects to not only address the vulnerabilities of the direct target population, but also look at how the crisis has affected host and neighboring communities. An interesting part of the research has been for me to understand better how to leverage resources for the payment of waste services. UNDP's experience in Nepal and Bhutan showed that the involvement of the private sector can lead to more competitive prices and even higher profits for informal waste collectors, as companies in turn benefit from good leasing conditions for their plants by the government. At the same time, it's important to continue working on raising awareness among communities about the importance of paying for quality services, rejecting the notion of free use, for free use drives waste and contamination. To incentivize behavioral change, the introduction of gradual tariffs seems to be working well as a nudging tool. I will stop here with this short video summary and invite you all to read the full paper on the UNDP Independent Evaluation Office website at web.undp.org/evaluation. Thanks for your attention.